Look how much Jazz likes avocado. Very excited. Good job, Jazzy.
There's a button missing. The elevator is broken.
Don't worry.
You want more?
Fix the elevator.
More?
The buttons are supposed to go in this.
Yeah, he's not putting his hand in his mouth when he wants the avocado. I like
So
when
excited.
he does that little thing after.
Oh, there goes the hand.
Yeah, but that's after.
Buttons go. Pink, blue. Pink, blue. Pink. What goes here? Blue. Yeah. Oh, I can.
Ah, we're so
Wow.
excited. Hi. You're the cutest one. Did you know that? Yeah, you're the cutest.
More avocado? More? Believe how wide he's opening?
Yeah, he loves avocado.
Are supposed to go red, green.
Oh.
Did you get that?
I got it. Yeah. Mm.